How's it, everyone? This is Daniel Aipa, and today I'm going to show you 10 ab exercises using the slider. Well, the fitness slider is a very simple piece of equipment. You can either buy the fitness slider, which costs about 20 to 30 bucks for a pair, or you can simply just use a piece of towel or some socks on your feet on a smooth surface. So here are 10 exercises for your abs using sliders. Check it out. Now, to make your own ab workout, all you need to do is choose anywhere between 3 to 4 exercises. Each exercise, you're gonna do 30 seconds. Between the exercises, you're gonna rest a minimum amount, like 10 to 20 seconds, just to adjust your body to do the next exercise. Once you get your exercises, go for about 3 to 4 rounds, and that should give you a total ab workout. If you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe below. Also, hit me up if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you guys along your fitness journey. All right, aloha and ao.